Hello guys, you are welcome to this channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get a free virtual card that can be used for all your online transactions and verifications. So without further ado, let's delve into it. Kindly note that the link to this app is in the description below, so click on the link and download the app. Then let's get started. Alright, so open the app, then click on continue, then click on I'm new to EcoBank. Alright, so select your country. Right now we are in Ghana, so we select Ghana. Then enter your mobile number. Make sure you enter it correctly without a zero. Alright, so you click on open an EcoBank account. Then you click on Express account. Alright, so an OTP has been sent to your phone number. Make sure you enter it correctly, then click on create profile. Alright, so here you have to fill in your personal information, your name, first name, if you have any middle name, your last name. Make sure that the information here corresponds to your Ghana card, because that's the document you'll be using for the verification of this app. After everything, click continue. Then here we are moving on to identification. So select ID type and select Ghana national ID card. Sorry. Then make sure that you enter all the necessary information. Here the national ID type that we are selecting here is the Ghana card. So make sure that you enter your Ghana card number correctly without bringing the hyphen. So ignore the hyphens in the Ghana card and write the number in full. If you bring the hyphen, it might not work. So ignore the hyphens and enter the details and the date of issuance. You make sure you enter all those information correctly, then you click on continue. Alright, so we are waiting for the account to be created. It's going to take some time, but we will get there. So exercise patience here, and here it depends on how fast your internet connection is. So I'm kind of having a very slow connection, that's why it's taking forever, but we are hoping that it comes. Alright, I've had a notification, so the account will be ready soon. Boom, there we go, successfully created account. So here I have to enter any 6-digit pin. So you enter any 6-digit pin that you remember, then you click on continue. Alright, so here your security questions, you select question category and you provide an answer. This is very case sensitive, so make sure that you select a question that you always remember the answer. So in case you lose your account, you can use this security question to recover your account. It's very important, you have to take note of that. If you are someone that easily forgets, you can take a screenshot of the answer that you have provided and put it somewhere. You can send it to your email, save it as drafts, whatever means that you want, so that for future reference and you can be able to retrieve it back in case you lose your account. Alright, so let's move forward. Here I'm writing my brother's name, then I think we are good to go. So you click, when you are done, you click on create profile. Alright, so if you have any referral code, you enter it here. In my case, I don't have any referral, so I'll click on skip. Alright, so I'll use my touch ID so that I wouldn't be entering password. Alright, so there we go, our account is finally created. You can do the verification using your own Ghana card, but in this video I'll skip it and do it later. So I'll go for do it later. Alright, let's continue. So our account is up and running. You could see my dashboard, everything is working here. So let's move on to how to get our virtual card. Right now, click on cards, then you click on virtual card, then you click on create a virtual card, then you select the type of card. Here, make sure you select a shopping card, then click on continue. All right, here you have to make a deposit of at least 25 cedis, and this money is not a charge for the card. This money is being used to fund your card. So you deposit at least 25 cedis on your card, and the deposit can be done using your express account. So if you don't have money in your account, you just go to your Momo, either star 170, or you use my MTN app. Then you go to transfer, then you go to bank transfer, then you make sure that you copy your bank account. When you go to your dashboard in your express account, you could see your bank account, the account number there. So you copy the account number, you use the star 170 prompts, your bank transfer options, then you deposit money into your account, at least 50 cedis, then you use 25 cedis or 30 cedis for your virtual card, and that money will be available on your virtual card, and you can use it for all your online transactions, and they are not going to deduct any fee. Mind you that this is a shopping card and it's going to take about six months. That's roughly a year. So after a year, the card is going to be deleted and you have to request another one in case you need a different card. So guys, that's all. This is how you get your virtual card using the EcoBank for free.